Hello and welcome everyone to one more awesome video in which I'm going to tell you there's something bigger marketing technique present in the world that is not in the list, which says content marketing is at the top of the list. And that technique is beating every single technique in the list hands down. This is the winner that I'm going to talk about. I don't know how many people have heard this or how many people have made blogs or written content about it, but if when I take the name and you will agree with me, I'm 100% sure about it, because the technique I'm talking about, it should be at the top of the list, and it is in the top of the list because the technique is inbuilt. The technique is indulged into each and every technique present in the list. That technique is, before going to technique, I just want to say that every marketing tactics is powerful in some in its own area, but the technique that I'm talking about, that technique is effective in every single marketing area. I'm just not talking about digital life, I'm talking about traditional marketing as well. So what is the technique? The technique is visual marketing. Have you heard about visual marketing? Have you heard the terms visual marketing? How many people have seen a blog on visual marketing? I feel very less, because people don't talk that much about visual marketing. I don't know why, but visual marketing is, it's or should be and will be in the top of the list, and it will dominate every single time it is compete with any other marketing technique, just because visual marketing is something that is very much connected to a human being, connected to a user, connected to anything, right? In visual marketing there are a lot of things are there, but before going into it, and I just want to share that visual marketing is kind of inbuilt in content marketing, in big data and everything, as well as in traditional marketing. What is visual marketing? First, visual marketing is a way of showing people, connecting with people emotionally, logically, or by making user to think about some kind of a picture, some kind of a sort of thing, in which a user is forced to think, forced to view, forced to think about what is going on, what is in the picture. I'm going to show you a lot of example, and I'm going to show you fact as well. And the fact that I'm going to show you is not by me, it is by research, it is by survey. So visual marketing is a process of marketing that is inbuilt in every single marketing process, which is a kind of which is a very much easy and efficient way, and proven 100% working way to connect to a customer, to connect to a user, to connect to anything. That is because of visual marketing only this social media, YouTube, this Facebook, this Pinterest are running so much. Why blog are getting a little bit less views nowadays? Why just because blog have more text than visual appealing things. You need to have something visually appealing to a person, you need to have some sort of connection with the user. We don't read that much stuff, we all know. Many less people are there who loves to read 4,000 keyword big blog. If there is some video, we will love to watch the video. If there is some picture that is connecting and that is giving us information directly, and we will be more focusing on that apart from the blog. It's simple as that. Visual appealing things, visual marketing is more effective, and it will be effective in future. It was affecting in past, it is affecting in present. Why I'm telling this, why people are not telling about it, I don't know. But why I'm telling this, because I want to make you aware that you should be in able to position to know how to learn, how to make things in such a way that people love it. You should learn how to how to connect with a person, connect with the user, connect with the person, right? You should learn how to make portray something in such a way that people can understand when in a second, right? It don't need that much time, right? You should be able to connect with the person with a picture directly. We don't need to make him understand. If a person understand your product service in a second, he will be interested, or she will be interested in your product or list and anything, right? To understand this, I'll just give you one simple task. You can do it, and you can know how to do that. For example, just have a camera and put it in the corner of your home, in your room, and try to capture yourself. you at the end of the day you look at yourself, how you functions, how you work the whole day, how kind of you know how you did the whole day. When you look at yourself, you'll understand more about yourself, understand more about a person. If you want to learn more, see persons, see users, see YouTube, all the YouTube creators, right? Try to focus their characteristic, try to see how they functions. You learn how a person, exactly thinks, work, everything, right? This is one simple trick, a simple, sorry, task you can do to learn more about yourself, to learn about how a person thinks, feels, and works. This is a very simple thing. Now I'll take you to the facts that astonish me. This is very astonishing that visual marketing is one of the biggest thing, right? So the fact is this, right? The brain processes visual information 60,000 times faster. Can you imagine 60,000 times faster? This is astonishing, right? So 90% of information transmitted to the brain is visual. One more surprising fact: 40% of people around 40% of people respond better to an image. That we all know. Posts with infographics grow traffic an average of 12% more than without. So, how many people know about infographics? Do you know what is infographics? If you don't know, please comment down below. I'll surely make a video on that. Okay, next. 700 YouTube videos are shared on Twitter every minute. See how visual appealing things affects. There's a live example. Pinterest generate more referral traffic than Google, YouTube, LinkedIn combined. This is one of the shocking facts that I've read, and I was thinking, okay, that's it. Okay, so how many people know about Pinterest? Have you ever used Pinterest? How you know that functions? If you don't know, if you don't know, please comment down below. I'll be checking out how many people are there, and we try to make a video on that. If you don't know, if people know, please give me some suggestion. I would love to I'd love to know more. So next is visitors spend 100% more time on page that have a video on them. Look at the effect of a video. That's a visually appealing thing, right? Customers who watch product video are 80% more likely to purchase the product. What else you need? Product peoples, huh? Just have a video on your website, video on YouTube, video on everywhere, right? Just do that. So this is one of the best facts that is based on survey, based on research, based on human psychology. So this is how you should think about it. This exactly clears your mind that visual appealing things, visual marketing is the biggest thing. That is what I'm saying. I have something bigger than any other thing, any other marketing technique present in the world right now, because this is what visual marketing consists of. So I'm just going to give you one more hint, one more example, one more criteria, one more thing I will take you through, and I'll be proving how visual appealing things are more effective. I have collected some pictures from internet. Hope you like these pictures. Okay, let's see. So this pictures kind of tell you exactly in a single second. This is more clear, this is not. You can directly identify what is difference. This is what visual marketing is all about. People should able to know your products, services, everything in a split second. You don't need to give them time to think about other products, right? Just capture their mind. It's simple as that. What is this? Oh, love, infinity. Oh God, I know this is infinity. Simple as that. Just by having a single view, you know what is this. This is one of the best picture I found to show how visual appealing things are so much powerful. Plastic kills, plastic bag kills, keep our plastic ocean free. All the stuff you'll get to know. This is very awesome. Next thing, okay, this is kind of a video that I collected because as how X promote their products, this is very awesome. I'm promoting any product. I'm not in the position right now. So this is one more awesome visual appealing thing. Okay, so this is one of the best pictures I find out, and this is about what, and I will just try to ask you if you find what, if you think, if according to you, what this picture signifies. If you can put in comment down below, I'll happy to, and it'll be very much happy to see what your views are on this bulb image. I guess you know it. Let's see. So this is the effect, this is difference between a text, difference between other marketing techniques, and a visual appealing and a visual indulge thing, right? So this is all about visual appealing thing and visual things. So I hope you like this video, and before that, I proved you how visual appealing things is more powerful, because visual appealing thing is everywhere, in digital marketing, in traditional marketing, in any kind of marketing. You just name it, it will be there. So you try to focus on that more apart from other things more. So I've made a bold statement because I know it's true, and you guys right now know it's true. So if you like this video, please put a thumbs up, please like the video. If you have any question, queries or anything, please put in the comment box. I will reply, I will make a video on it if that is very much awesome. And if awesome or not awesome, if that is required for you, I'll do something for you, I promise that. And please subscribe my channel, because I'll be putting a lot of awesome videos, a lot of bold thing like this, a lot of tricks, tips, and a lot of stuff about digital marketing, SEO, all that stuff. So please subscribe and keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.